In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to autosave chart on TradingView. Save TradingView chart. If you've ever made a bunch of annotations, added indicators, or customized your chart layout only to lose those changes later, turning on autosave is the simplest way to protect your work. It quietly saves your updates in the background while you focus on analysis, so you don't have to keep hitting save after every tweak. Start by opening your chart on TradingView. You should be on the main chart screen where you can see your candles, your tools on the left, and the top toolbar that shows your current chart layout name. That top bar is important because that's where the autosave setting lives. Give the chart a moment to load fully so all menu items are available. Next, look toward the top toolbar for the chart layout section. You'll see the name of your current layout, and right next to it, there's a small drop-down arrow. Click that arrow to open the layout options. This menu controls how your layout is saved and managed, and it's the quickest way to make sure your changes are captured automatically going forward. In the menu that appears, find the autosave option and check the box to enable it. Once it's on, TradingView will automatically save changes you make to this chart layout typically a few seconds after an edit. Add an indicator, draw a trend line, change a time frame. Those changes will be written to your layout without you needing to do anything else. You can keep working confidently, and if your browser refreshes or you come back later, your updates will still be there. A couple of helpful notes as you use this. Autosave applies to the layout you currently have open, so if you use multiple layouts, you'll want to make sure autosave is enabled on each one when you're working in it. You can still click Save Anytime if you want to capture a manual snapshot, but with autosave on, that's usually not necessary. If your internet connection drops temporarily, autosave will queue changes and sync them once you're back online. It's also normal to see a brief saving indicator or cloud icon update at the top as your work is stored. That's all there is to it. Open your chart, use the drop-down arrow in the layout area, and check the autosave box. With autosave enabled, your TradingView charts will quietly keep themselves up to date while you analyze the markets. Enjoy the peace of mind and happy charting.